Lesson C5, Intermediate Calculations, Topic 14, Worked Examples, Timeshift. The learning objectives for this topic are to understand how to use the timeshift function in practice. So, here's an example of a step data, and it's actually the tag that we used in topic 13, the example of stepping. We've got one value per day, but what we've found is actually it's resetting at 1 o'clock in the morning because it's been recorded in GMT when we're actually in British summertime. So to make this display correctly, what I need to do is time shift it back 1 hour. And this is what the timeshift function allows us to do. I'm going to add this tag to my basket for ease of access, and then I go add tag, calculation, and I'm going to select the timeshift function from here. Timeshift, and then I have two things I need to enter. One is the tag, and then one is the amount I need to shift it. So I will need to shift it just 1 hour back. And I'll add that. And I need to tell the chart A to make it a different color so it's easy to see. And then I'm going to make it display the raw data and step it. So now you can see that my blue series is resetting at midnight, whereas the original is now resetting at 1 in the morning. So that's a simple way of adjusting time series to correct for the case when the source data has an error in the timestamp. Or it may be that in order to use it like a lab result, you need to shift it back into the previous day. But it's a very useful function, very simple to use. There you go, that's an overview of the timeshift function.